Hey, what's up, guys? So I just woke up and I saw a comment that I talked about chocolate, and they don't know what kind of chocolate they should get. So I should showcase some kind of chocolate for them to see the type that will be good for their girlfriend or their boyfriend. And I know that's pretty good. So today we are gonna go out there to the market. I'm just gonna take a shower really quick, then we go to the market and we are gonna show some chocolate to ourselves. I'm gonna show it to you, then you choose what you want. So get ready. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Chocolate. So this one is classic assorted chocolate. You can get that one too for her. Oh, let me put it well. Good. If you don't have money too, you can get the what is it? Is it the Reese's? Yeah, you can get that one too. The peanut chocolate. Oh, the smaller cakes, you can buy one of these for them to show them that you love them. Don't get this one for your girlfriend. Pretty much she's gonna be mad, I'm telling you. And you can get this one too for your kids. Yeah, it's good for that. Don't get this one too for your girlfriend. She's gonna be mad. You can get some of these too. Okay, so let's go to this side so you can see a pretty much beautiful chocolate over here. It looks really good. Damn, you can come down here, you can get another chocolate. It's pretty good. So make sure you get this kind of chocolate and don't mess up yourself this Valentine's Day. Okay, so now let me get one for myself. Let me see the other one. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, let me get this one. Hey, so if you followed me to the market, I told you I was gonna get a chocolate. Now here is the chocolate I got for myself. Okay, it's not for anybody, it's for myself anyway. I'm just gonna open this chocolate and then we see what they get in this chocolate. So don't go anywhere, just let's watch it. Chocolate open up, I get it open up. Now if you've never had this type of chocolate, we are gonna find out the different type of chocolate they have in this one. Okay, so it looks like they have 7 flavors and then they have 9 pieces. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of chocolate. Wow, but they have 7 different flavors. Okay, so we are gonna find out which is which. I got you. Now, if you look at this one is the chocolate buttercream. So they have 2 types, 1, 2. They have that one 2, and then they have the vanilla cream. That one too is 1. It's right here, and then they have the truffle. The truffle they have 2. You can see they have 1 here, and then they have 1 here. Okay. Now they have the nut caramel. Then the nut caramel they have just 1. It's over here. And then they have the caramel itself, so they have 1 caramel over here. So this is the caramel. Those who like caramel, you get 1 here. Wow. And then they have the strawberry cream. So the strawberry cream is this one. Okay, they have the strawberry cream is this one. Yeah. And then this is the peanut cluster. The peanut cluster too is in the middle over here. So these are the 7 flavors and 9 pieces of chocolate they have in this Valentine's Day chocolate I just bought for myself. Okay, that is the assorted chocolate. So if you want to get one for yourself, go to the market, get it for you. Get it for yourself or get it for your girlfriend or your boyfriend, and she's gonna like it because they have 9 different pieces in here with 7 flavors. I hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Make sure you are being wise and vigilant. Boom.